Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians, Carrie
and Andrea. Nothing warms up the soul in cold weather like a home-cooked meal.
So dust off those slow cookers and enjoy these wintry recipes.
Vegetable and bean chili. In a slow cooker, add beans, onion, pepper, zucchini, jalapeno pepper, garlic, stewed tomatoes, stock, chili powder, cumin, and oregano. Stir ingredients, cover, and set to high. Top with cheese, cilantro, and lime.
Honey Balsamic Beef Stew. Add onion, celery, carrots, potatoes, and beef cubes to a slow cooker. In a medium bowl, whisk together broth, honey, vinegar, tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, garlic, salt, pepper, and cornstarch. Pour mixture over ingredients, cover, and cook on low.
For these recipes and more,
visit BigY.com.